It's that time of year when everyone around you has either got a cough or a cold, and there's viruses flying around everywhere. So today's episode is all about comfort food and pick-me-ups, so we can have good, nutritious food to pick us up on those awful times when we're feeling a bit down. This is a really good ginger tea. It's ginger, lemon, honey, it's got a few cloves, it's got some peppercorns and a stick of cinnamon. It's really good to open up your airways because it actually breaks down your phlegm. And it tastes really good too. So let's get going with our first dish, which is chicken soup. In this pot, I've just got some stock going, and I've just used some chicken bones. I've used chicken wings, but you can use a carcass left over from a roast, or you can use any kind of chicken on the bone and just boil it up to make a nice stock. Just add a bit of salt. So I'm going to get rid of these bones now because they've been boiling for some time. And I'm going to make the soup. Chicken soup is always so warming and so inviting when you're feeling down. So once all your bones are out, you just need to add some sweet corn. And I've got some, you can use either tin or frozen, it doesn't really matter. A little titchy bit more. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to let that boil through, and into that I'm going to add some chicken, which I'll just grab from the fridge. So this chicken's just been diced pretty small. Just add that through. And just let that cook away. So you stir that chicken in and you let that cook through, and as that's cooking, I'm going to get on with some other prep to put into this dish. That chicken, because it's tiny, as you can see there, Scott? It's cooked through. Right, let's get going with some other bits and bobs. I need to season the soup. So I'm going to add a bit more salt. And remember, your taste buds are, when you've got coughs and colds, are just nasty, aren't they? You don't taste anything. So salt, lemon will give you that little tanginess that you need to flavour your mouth. I need some coarsely ground black pepper. Black pepper is excellent when you've got a cough and a cold because it's really good to clear the chest, and coarsely ground black pepper in the soup will do that job just right. Need to grab some. So that's about right. Perfect. Now I need to thicken the soup, so I'm going to use some cornstarch. So in a bowl, just add some cold water and just mix the cornstarch through. Now you can thicken it as much and as less as you like. Some people don't like thick soup, some people do. Some people actually like putting an egg in this soup as well. I'm going to leave out the egg and keep it simple, so that all my crew friends here who are suffering with coughs and colds, Director Saab included, can have some. Now I'm going to put some fresh chilli in here, but I'm going to put it on top. Some people don't want to have too much chilli when they're The black pepper will actually, as I said, that's going to do the job. But I like chili, as you know. So I'm going to put some chopped chili inside and just give that a bit of a stir. And then I'm going to dress this with a little bit of micro herbs, a little bit of julienne of ginger. I love ginger, and it gives that nice herby, fiery. Some spring onions. And if I didn't have enough chili, just a few of those chilies there. And to decorate, or to make that person feel a bit special who's ill, give them a few prawn crackers when they're tucked up in bed watching TV, Sony TV. There you have it. Pick me up number 1. Chicken soup, job done.